Now what we want to do is we want to calculate the sum of the values which are in the column. So just use sum function. So before using the sum function, what we can do is uh, we can just use equals to, and then we have value 1, and then we can just type plus symbol, and then value 2, and then again plus, then value 3, then value 4, then again. So we can keep on doing that, and we have now this sum. But this is not the very nice way of doing it. So what you can do is you can use the function, and which is sum function. So sum, and then bracket starts, and then you can do is to select this cell and then drag it the selection to the last value, and you will be having the same sum. So this is much better because this takes very less efforts, because here you have used the function. So basically functions makes your life very easy, because you don't do many of the things manually. And now, and over here we have done all of these things manually. So it's not the nicest way, but when you're starting up, this is the most easiest way, because what happens is at times you will make some insertions as well. So let's say if you have inserted any new row, then what will happen is that particular row won't be added in this manually summed thing. So what you can, and if you will however enter the value, let's say 10, then this value will be added to it, because we have dynamically so this will dynamically select the first and last value, and if you will insert any other value in between these, it will also be included in the sum function, but it won't be done in the in this way or this approach. So you must know these little things when you are working on some reporting work. So you have to ease off your efforts by knowing a lot of things. These are the very small things, and but that will help you in gaining a lot of speed as compared to your peers.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.